What's up, Ragsquad? Welcome back to the channel, guys. For this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use your BMW garage HomeLink. That is the set of controls underneath the mirror inside the vehicle right here. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to actually set it up and how to use it. Obviously, if you have a garage, you obviously have a set of controls, whether it's a remote or it's like an actual control inside the wall right there. But I'm just gonna show you your BMW has HomeLink, so why not use it? And it's actually way cooler than using like having like a remote stick up on the sun visor right here. So if you look right here, you see the three buttons right here. I'm gonna show you how to program those and how to use it to close your garage. Before we dive into this quick tutorial, I want to show you guys this AutoFix 3910. This is an auto scan Bluetooth diagnostic device. It's a pocket size device, so you could easily put this in your glove box, or you can bring it with you in your pack, wherever you're going. You're planning a road trip, always bring a diagnostic tool with you, especially when you have a BMW. You obviously know BMWs like to throw codes and stuff. So if you're just going on a random road trip or you're going anywhere at all, you have this pocket size scan tool. It's a very powerful tool that you can use to scan for codes, clear codes, and I'm gonna demonstrate that real quick. So to use the AutoFix 3910, all you gotta do is remove it from this protective case that it comes in and plug this into your OBD port on the driver's side of the vehicle and then connect. By using the box or using the instruction manual, you can scan this QR code to essentially download the AutoFix app. And from right here, you can control all your diagnostics, your battery check, and you could send feedback as well. So if your device isn't working, you have a customer service access to be able to get that working. Conduct a full diagnostic on the vehicle. You can also do your throttle learning, replace your brake pads, and reset the brake pad sensors. Once you select the function you wanna access, you could click on special functions or just do like a normal system scan, and it will essentially scan the entire vehicle and tell you a bunch of failed systems, total failures, and inspections that the vehicle needs to get done. So when my vehicle had the minor damage on the front bumper earlier, I used this AutoFix 3910 to diagnose a vehicle, essentially just to see if there are any sensors damaged, and just get an overall inspection of the vehicle before bringing it to Gerber Collision to get it repaired, like you guys have seen. But this is a cool app first and foremost, and a very powerful tool. So if you want this device, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. So using these controls and the tutorial that I'm going to show you is specifically if you don't have rolling code on, or if your garage is a rolling code, sorry. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure that the vehicle is started. If it's not started, you won't have any power in the mirror. So right now I have one already programmed to my home garage. So if I click it, there's a green light that flashes. I'll let me know that the garage is actually working, and just go ahead and stop it. So now I'm going to show you how to program your rolling code. So if you hop up on to a ladder or whatever you could use to get some access to your garage HomeLink box, there should be a button on there. Sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's red or yellow, but mine is just black and it says learn code. You can see it right there. It says learn code. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna press that button. You can press it. I'm gonna press it. It's flashing red. Now that I'm inside the vehicle, you have 30 seconds to press the button that you want to use. You're gonna press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it's supposed to flash rapidly as it's setting the code, and then in theory it's supposed to stop after it has learned the code. So after doing that and then having a failed attempt, I had to redo it. But I essentially now had the middle one programmed along with the first button. So if you see, I click if one right here, one opens and closes the garage as well, stop it, and then I could click on the middle one as well right here, and it also opens and closes the garage. So that's essentially how you would program your BMW HomeLink to your car, using your rolling code if your garage has one. If it doesn't, there's another method you could try, which is you could press the desired button on the garage control. So you could press this button, and then you could press any button up here that you want to save it to as well. You could press it, and if you just press it, it will just flash orange for now. But if you just press it and hold the garage button at the same time, it will also program it there. And then once it flashes green where it saves a code, it might not open the garage. So all you gotta do at that point is go back up to your garage control and press learn again, and then come back to the car and then press the button twice, and it will save the controls if that doesn't work. So those are the two methods you can use, and I'm more than confident they both work since I just used both. So just let me know in the comment section if either of them work for you, and if you even used your BMW garage HomeLink. All right, Rag Squad, that's pretty much it for the video. So I'll go ahead and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to check out the AutoFix 3910 Bluetooth scan tool, make sure you go to the link in the description section of this video and pick yourself one from Amazon. And if you have any troubles programming your HomeLink, just leave it in the comment section as well, or shoot me a DM on Instagram, and I'll be glad to help you guys out. I hope this video helps. See you guys in the next one. Peace.